You know, you have someone totally new coming in. You have not met this person before. This is a brand new connection. It's not an ex. It's not someone that you're thinking that it is. It's actually someone completely new. No communication, nothing. My name's Lalath Grace from Wish the British, and I'm a Roman Gypsy Tarot reader. When this person comes in, they're literally coming in to sweep you off your feet. This is strong water sign energy, and it actually could be somebody who's a little bit younger than you. King of Pentacles as well. So it could also be strong earth signs. You've got strong water, strong earth sign. Now the romance that they feel for you, there is this energy of you making them feel like almost giddy, kind of butterflies in the tummy, like a little bit nervous and anxious around you. But they're also willing to step into this divine masculine energy and pretty much come in with a good solid offer and offer you stability, security, love, abundance. Again, oh my God. The Star and the Ace of Cups. What did I say? This is a new connection, completely new love. And the cards are just reiterating that by saying you're meant to be with this person. Look at the connection you're going to have. I feel like this person has seen you already. This isn't way off in the future. This is soon. This is within like the next couple of weeks. This person's already seen you, but they're ready to make their move in the next couple of weeks. What's interesting is when a divine masculine comes in with this King of Pentacles energy, it's actually somebody who's very loyal, it's very stable, very hardworking. They probably have their own business. They love that building things. They want to build a good home. They want to build a good career. They want to build a good business. Like, this is somebody who does hard work for a brighter tomorrow. So they carry that energy into their relationships as well. And I feel that this person is actually either divorced or they've just come out of a relationship, and they won't be with them when they meet you. But I feel like from that, whatever happened there, they've learned a lot and they know the mistakes that they've made and they've learned from them moving forward. This is a very progressive, stable, secure energy. So we have Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with the water sign, and then we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with the earth sign somewhere in their birth chart. This energy is going to be devoted to you wholeheartedly. The King of Pentacles energy is somebody who enjoys the sanctuary of a safe, stable relationship. They don't like the chase. They don't want the bravado. They don't want the ups and downs. They don't want the arguments. They like to know that their relationship is a safe base so that they can go and build on their business, because they love to make money. They're a business person, and they're smart, so they know whatever's going on at home or whatever's going on an emotional level will transpire into their business. So they're and this is what with the ex, I feel like they had this energy where they were arguing and where they wasn't happy, and it actually affected their business, and now they've moved away from that. They're looking for somebody who can offer them that support. They will offer it back too, but just that kind of steady security flow of abundance. Let's go part 2.